This is not just a car. This is the Aston Martin Valkyrie, a machine born from Formula One technology and built for the road. From the very first glance, it looks less like a supercar and more like a futuristic race machine. Every line on the Valkyrie has a purpose. The aggressive front splitter, sharp headlights, and sculpted body are designed to control airflow with extreme precision. This car isn't styled for beauty alone. It's engineered to dominate the air. From the side, the Valkyrie looks unreal. Massive air tunnels run through the body, replacing traditional wings. These tunnels create enormous downforce, pushing the car into the road at high speeds, just like a Formula One car. At the rear, the design becomes even more extreme. There's no conventional rear wing. Instead, advanced aerodynamics and a powerful diffuser keep the car stable. The exhaust system sits high, ready to unleash one of the most insane sounds ever produced by a road car. Powering the Valkyrie is a 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine developed by Cosworth. It revs up to an unbelievable 11,100 RPM. Combined with a hybrid electric system, the total output exceeds 1,100 horsepower. What makes this even more insane is the weight. The Valkyrie weighs just over 1,000 kilograms. That gives it a power-to-weight ratio close to a Formula One car. Acceleration is brutal, instant, and absolutely relentless. Step inside and you'll notice one thing immediately. There's nothing unnecessary. Carbon fiber covers almost every surface. The seats are molded directly into the chassis, and the driving position feels like you're sitting in a race car. There's no traditional dashboard here, just a compact digital display showing essential driving information. Everything inside the Valkyrie exists for one reason: performance. Driving the Valkyrie is not about comfort. It demands focus, skill, and respect. The steering is razor sharp, the braking is extreme, and the car responds instantly to every input. This is as close as it gets to driving an F1 car on public roads. The Aston Martin Valkyrie is extremely rare. Only a limited number are being produced, with a price tag in the millions. This isn't just a car, it's a collector's masterpiece and a piece of automotive history. In a world moving toward electric silence, the Aston Martin Valkyrie stands as a final scream of pure mechanical passion. Loud, aggressive, and uncompromising, this is not just the peak of Aston Martin engineering. This is the Valkyrie.